Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You know what? Hey guys, welcome back to another DJ Studios video. Today guys, we're doing another Fidget Spinner video. Remember when I told you that rainbow fidget spinner for at least 1 minute 51? And there was a rainbow fidget. It was rainbow, and I just wanted to show you more, but I didn't know what they were. So I got some more fidget spinners. Let me put in the here guys. Fidgets. I have the two fidgets here. Oh, that's the first one. All I can say. Here's a bit of this liquid. Now I'll spin for you. You need to make sure it's full speed. And this. Can you just put the hammer down, guys? Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, I can restrict this and all. I'm going to do another football cards video as well, so I've got a mega tip now. So I've got this one, my favourite fidget spinner of them all, and the rainbow fidget spinner as well. That's how it's in slow motion. Let me beat her for you guys. That is satisfying, guys. So satisfying. Oh my god. If you're not satisfied, guys, what the heck, guys? If you're not satisfied, you've got problems. That's it. I like them where it's got these horns. Here. Not like this here, it's just like it's one of these normal ones. Got blue one I think that's dark blue. I don't know. I can't out if that's dark blue or purple. I think it's purple and or dark blue. These look dark bluish, but I think it's a purple well. So yeah. Back to its normal position was, and thank you for watching the video, guys. Do another football cards video after this video when I published it. See you guys later. Bye. Hit the subscribe button and like the video and post notifications on, guys. Comment down saying you hit that because I'm not doing the giveaway. I don't even know how to do the giveaway. So see you guys later. Have a great time. Bye.